Hello everyone, Jutan Al-Ahmed here, and today, as you can see on the title, I will be giving away a Tangem Stealth Limited Edition card. Now this is the exact one that I will be giving away. You can watch my unboxing of this. This is a 3 card, 2 which are fully blacked out and 1 which has the Tangem logo on it. How do you enter this giveaway? That is what you might be thinking, because you don't want me to talk. You just want to join, and I nearly stopped breathing there, lol. But yeah, you just want to join, so do subscribe to my channel. That's rule number 1. And rule number 2 is just go onto my Discord and click on the participate under the Tangem Stealth Limited Edition wallet section. Now when you do that, you will get a notification saying that you're participating, and once the whole giveaway is over, the person that wins will be randomized through the bot and you will be tagged. You need to then contact me through a private message. So on my Discord, there's a section that says DM JBINZALA. You need to click on that and then contact me, and I am shipping this worldwide anywhere, just because I want everybody to be in the crypto space. And yeah, I'm a full self-custody advocate, as you know I am. Just so you know, Tangem didn't give me this for free or anything. I purchased this out of my own pocket, so it's just me just giving back to the community is all. In addition, if you did want to just purchase a Tangem outright, they've got a ring, they've got this, do go onto their website and use my discount code JBINZALA. You'll get 10% off your whole order. So if you didn't want to wait for this and you just want a Tangem, you want to become a self-custody pro, then just go to Tangem's website and do purchase it. And yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, share, and lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.